Stuck on the independent practice? I got you. Here we go. What I'm going to do is I'm only going to help you start it. I'm not going to give you the answers. Now, if you're really stuck, that's when you call me and I'll help you. Just like Kim Possible said, call me, beat me if you want to reach me. That's how you're going to reach me. So on the independent practice for number 1, we are going to go over and we are going to read this together. It says, due to the coronavirus, prices and rent are starting to go down. It's true. People just aren't buying anymore. So last month, the rent prices were on average $1,600 in San Francisco. This month, the rent prices were on average $1,200 in San Francisco. Now the question says, what is the decrease in dollars from the average rent price of last month to this month? So again, we want to figure out, well, how much is this going down by? Okay, so before anything, what I want to make sure you have before you send me your work is you have split up the part, the percent, and the whole. Now, what I told you before is the whole is always the original amount, right? We said the initial value. What did we start with? And what we started with is it was originally $1,600, and now it went down. So the whole is $1,600. Now, if it asks you for the increase or the decrease, remember the part is actually going to represent the decrease because that's what we're trying to find. Okay, so first the question says, number 1, what is the decrease in dollars? Which should be very simple. If I want to find how much did it go down by, we're going to take our whole $1,600 and subtract it with my final amount. What is it now? This is the new, or the new slash final value. And what we found is that the prices went down $400 down slash cheaper, right? Because it's decreasing. And so what you're going to do is, okay, your part, you should have made sure that it's 400 because that's what the decrease is. So now you're going to write your equation. Don't forget, as the CFS says in your equation, you're going to write it and substitute correctly. So my whole is 1,600. My percent, because that's what I'm trying to find, is going to be X. And my part is not going to be 1,200. Make sure that you had, it's 400 because it's the decrease. Okay? And then you divide. Now remember, because we're trying to find the percent, your decrease is going to be, when you divide, it has to be a number that is less than 1. If you got a number that is not less than 1, well, you definitely did something wrong, or you divided wrong. Now, if you see an issue and it's not letting you type in the right answer, then there's a reason for that. Okay, so excuse me. What I'm going to show you is you must, if you want to move on, you must get the right answer. So if I put 30% right here and I try to move on, oops, that means you got the wrong answer. You must get the right answer to move on. So if you can't figure it out, that's my finger, you need to call me, okay? You also need to remember that at the end you need to have all of your work shown, so make sure to take a picture of that, okay? Good luck!